Okay, so you think your credit card is free. No annual fee. Cash back on every swipe. Free flights. The bank is basically paying you to shop. Here's the number that should make you suspicious. $1.2 trillion. That's what Americans owe right now on free credit cards. The most ever. And here's the strange part. The product behind that mountain of debt is the same one your bank handed you for free and then paid you rewards to use. Banks are not charities. Year after year, credit cards earn them a better return than mortgages, car loans, almost anything else they do. That gap between free for you and most profitable for them is the entire story of this business. Understand it, and you win. Miss it, and you become the profit. So where does the money actually come from? 3 pipes. Pipe 1, interest. The average card rate in America is now above 20%, while the very same bank writes mortgages at around 7% and car loans at around 9%. Same bank, same money. Triple the price. Why? Because a credit card is unsecured. If you stop paying, there's no house to take back, no car to repossess. So everyone pays a built-in risk premium. Pipe 2, swipe fees. Every single time you tap, the merchant quietly hands roughly 2 to 3% of the sale to the card system. Spend $100, and the store keeps about $97. You never see that fee, but you pay it anyway, because it's baked into every price on the shelf. Even people who pay cash are helping fund someone else's free flights. Pipe 3, fees with names, late fees, cash advance fees, annual fees, billions of dollars a year in late fees alone. And here's the part that surprises almost everyone. Visa and MasterCard don't lend you a cent. They just own the rails the payments run on, skim a tiny slice of trillions of swipes, and turn roughly half of every dollar of revenue into pure profit. It's never the percentage. It's the size of the number the percentage is attached to. To the bank, there are only 2 kinds of cardholders, and you're definitely one of them. Transactors pay the full balance every month. They borrow the bank's money for free 30 days at a time and collect the rewards on top. Revolvers carry a balance, and interest compounds on it at 20+% every single month it survives. Roughly half of American cardholders carry a balance at least some of the time. That half funds almost the entire machine. And the darkest truth in the business? The bank's favorite customer isn't the one who pays in full. It's not the one who defaults either. It's the one in the middle, who keeps the balance forever and reliably pays the minimum. Carry $5,000 at today's rates, pay only the $25 minimum, and you can be paying for more than a decade, handing over thousands in interest on a $5,000 loan. That's not an accident. That's the design. So how do you sit on the winning side of the machine? 4 rules. 1. Pay the statement balance in full every month on autopay. Do that, and your interest rate is irrelevant. 20% of 0 is 0. 2. Never spend just for points. Rewards pay 1 or 2%. A balance costs 20. You cannot out-earn the interest. The math has never worked, and it never will. 3. Treat your credit score as the real reward. Pay on time, keep balances low, and the same banking system starts charging you less for the loans that actually matter. Your house, your car. 4. If you're already carrying a balance, attack it before you invest a cent. Killing a 22% debt is a guaranteed 22% return, and no stock, fund, or coin reliably beats that. So, is your credit card free? The card, yes. The system, never. Someone always pays for the machine. The banks are betting more than $1 trillion that it'll be you. Prove them wrong. And every swipe quietly shapes a number that follows you for life. Your credit score. In the next video, we break down exactly how that number is calculated and the fastest legal ways to raise it. Subscribe so you don't miss it.